almond, crunchy and sweet. B is for brook, where waters gleam. C is for cactus, with needles so tall. D is for dolphin, who loves to call. E is for egg, round and white. F is for fern, curly and light. G is for goose, waddling by the shore. H is for horizon, where earth meets sky. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for juniper, a bushy tree. K is for kelp, waving below. L is for lava, with a fiery glow. M is for meteor, shooting bright. N is for nip, a tiny little bite. O is for oasis, cool and deep. P is for pebble, smooth in a heap. U is for quill, writing stories with skill. R is for rabbit, hopping with cheer. S is for snowflake, drifting down. T is for thistle, with a purple crown. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vine, that climbs a wall. W is for willow, swaying slow. X is for Xerox, copying quick and clear.